In the world of smartphone repairs, the motherboard stands as a critical component, often a source of mystification for DIY enthusiasts. This guide illuminates the essential techniques for successfully repairing and troubleshooting motherboard issues, with a focus on identifying common faults, such as short circuits and damaged ICs. Proper diagnosis starts with a visual inspection using a magnifying glass to spot any visible soldering defects or burnt areas. Essential tools like multimeters and soldering stations are indispensable, aiding in tracing faults and performing micro-soldering tasks with precision. Moreover, practicing on old or faulty boards can elevate your confidence and skill before tackling your main device. Overall, understanding the intricate paths within your smartphone's motherboard can demystify the repair process, making it an achievable DIY project for tech-savvy users.